Hello students, now we are starting with the second topic of the same chapter, financial management. The next topic is financial planning, right? Financial planning is an integral part of financial management. Financial management is a wider term, whereas financial planning is a part of it. As you have studied in management, that planning is the first function of management. So, in the same way, financial planning is the first step in financial management, right? So, for managing finance, first we have to plan our finance, right? So, as definition says, financial planning is the process of determining the objectives, the financial policies, procedures, programs and budgets to deal with the financial activities of a company. So, we have to plan, these are the various kind of plans which generally a company makes, right? Objectives, policies, procedures, programs, budgets, they all are different kind of plans, right? If we are making these kind of plans and that are confined to, that are related to financial activities, right? So, that becomes financial planning, or in precisely we can say any kind of planning which we are doing that is precisely for financial activities, that is called financial planning, right? Now, financial planning basically it talks about, or it has two main functions. It plans or it determines the requirement of funds, right? It determines requirement or need of funds first, and second one is it utilizes the acquired funds. So, the role of a financial manager is to first identify the need of finance or money required, right? Second, he has to utilize that acquired money, right, in a very planned or in an optimum way, so that he can fetch higher profits out of that, right? So, we can say that there are again the three main functions of financial planning, or three main roles of a financial manager. First, to identify the need of funds. Second, requiring, utilizing the acquired funds, right? Then second is third is, and meanwhile we have to identify the sources of finance. So, again the three things are there. We can say the financial planning, it has three things, right? First is requirement of funds, then procurement of funds, identification of need of funds, and then acquisition, procurement of funds. Third one is, once funds are procured, we have to invest them. So, that is called the utilization of funds. So, generally under financial planning, different plans, they are being made in order to identify the need of funds, procurement of funds, and to utilize those procured or acquired funds. So, that comes under financial planning, right? Now, we will come to the importance of financial planning. what is the importance of financial planning, or what role financial planner plays, in a company, in a business? The first one is the balance between equity and borrowed funds. As we have discussed in the previous lecture of financial management, that there are two major sources of raising funds, right? The first one is the borrower's fund, and the second one is the equity or the shareholders fund or the owner's fund, right? Under owner's fund, what we found that we have issue of shares, preference shares or equity shares, any kind of retained earnings, any kind of surplus, that comes under equity shareholders or the shareholders or the owners fund, right? What comes under borrowers fund is debentures, bonds, raising any kind of any kind of loan, long term, short term loan from any bank or from any financial institution, that comes under borrowers fund. So financial planning creates a balance between these two kind of funds, right? First they identify that what proportion, what amount of borrowers fund is required and what amount of shareholders fund is required. What should be an ideal proportion in which we should raise fund from these two sources, in again based on the cost involved and the risk we can take, right? Now the second one is coordination of business function. That also I discussed in the previous lecture, that a business is actually a group of activities, right? Demand forecasting. First, if we have to make a product, right, first we have to analyze the market. We have to do a market research, that what particular product can be liked by the people, what should actually we make in order to differentiate ourselves from the rest of the competitors, right? So for innovation, for marketing research, then after that we we make a product, we do a demand forecasting. Based on demand forecasting, we produce, we go for the production purpose, production thing. For production thing, first we have to identify the cost involved, various kinds of cost are there, labor cost, material cost, right? So all such costs are there. So you will see that production, sales, a business is a series of activities. Production, sales, demand forecasting, customer satisfaction, everything. So they have a series of activities, right? Now you will see that those series of activities, they have an ultimate end. And where is the end, or where is the beginning, we can say? That is the finance. If we don't have money, we cannot run a business. We cannot coordinate, we cannot integrate different business activities. If we don't have money, we will not be able to do demand forecasting. If we don't have money, we will not be able to produce anything. If we don't have money, we will not be able to pay anything to our labor. We will not be able to buy material, right? So all these different functions of business, they and their planning, it entirely depends on our financial planning, that how we are going to allocate our money to different business activities in terms of earning profit, in accord earning profit, right? So it coordinates business functions, okay? Now the third point is reduction in wastage of finance, right? As you know that management, right? Management increases the effectiveness and efficiency, right? Efficiency means that utilization, optimum utilization of resources and less wastage of resources, right? So planning is a part of management. Through effective planning, through a good planning, what we can do, we can avoid the wastage of any kind of financial resources, right? If we have planned well, right? Planning is basically what? Planning is looking forward. Planning is future oriented, we are anticipating, we are forecasting what can happen in the future, right? We are just anticipating, we are just giving an idea that what could happen in the future, fine. So if we are pre-planned, if we are prepared, a bit of a kind of prepared for the future course of action, then we can reduce, we can control any wastage of finance. For example, as I told you that a business has to deal with different kind of risk, certain risk or uncertain risk, and a business manager, a financial manager has to ensure that there should be, there should be our fund, our investment should be, safeguarded. There should be a proper safety